Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a black diamond trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And the Sasquatch package gives you some 35-inch all-terrain tires sitting on some beadlock rims, some wider fenders. You've got rock sliders down below, soft top. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you have these tie-down points with lassos on them. You have a 12-volt power outlet up there. Underneath this cover, you have your jack and some spare room. You also have your tire bags, since the doors are door bags, since the doors are removable. And before I forget, this is coming in the new Eruption Green paint. Very nice color. Looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a vinyl interior. In the middle, you have a USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. And the backs of the seats have molly rigging, so you can hook equipment onto there, and you have a little mesh pouch. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, off-road information, your phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general features such as driver assistance and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, so you have your front and rear locking diffs. Trail turn assist, so if you're on a tighter trail and you want to turn around without having to do a bunch of point turns, this will help you. Traction control shut off, hazards, and then a mounting point for your accessory rail if you want to have like a GoPro mounted up here or something. Then moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off, your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. And then down below you have this with a USB and USB-C, one of your grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash so you can hold on while you're going over some bigger bumps. Then you have your main shifter with select shift so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your 4x4 selector here with for high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for rougher terrain at slower speeds, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have, of course, your window and mirror controls, since the doors are removable, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, plenty of room inside, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.